close contest in Karnataka is undoubtedly Shimoga. Heavyweights have been fielded by both parties, be it former Chief Minister B.S. Yediyurappa's son B.Y. Raghavendra. Facing him off is Geeta, who's the former Chief Minister of Karnataka, again Bangarappa's daughter. While Geeta has star power with her in the form of her husband Shivraj Kumar, you have, of course, Raghavendra, who has his brother Vijendra, who's the BJP president in the state. His father, of course, B.S. Yediyurappa, is a celebrated veteran of the BJP. While both of them face off, it doesn't stop there. You also have K.S. Ishwarappa, former BJP minister, who's now rebelled against the B.S. Yediyurappa family and has decided to stand as independent in the state, in the Lok Sabha constituency of Shimoga. Despite him being expelled from the BJP, the party has literally pulled him off for 6 years as punishment. He still continues to wield Prime Minister Modi's photo and ask for votes. Let's take you through on ground Lok Sabha constituency of Shimoga. What do the people really want and what's the excitement and pulse on ground like? Campaigning begins for Geeta Shivraj Kumar with the Lord's intervention. She's here at the Siddhaganga Mutt in Tumkuru to take blessings. It's a revered temple here. And she has faith in God. She's hoping to pack in all the star power in the form of her husband, Shivraj Kumar. So she is a heavyweight indeed, facing off another Chief Minister's son, B.S. Yediyurappa's B.Y. Raghavendra. You're really hoping for divine intervention?
Of course, yes, because we have been, our family has been like that always, and here this is very special for us. Before the Swamiji was there, we have come so many times, but this is the first time I'm coming after he became the chief here.
So the community overwhelmingly supports the Congress party, do you believe?
No, the blessings of him is there, anything can happen.
Anything can happen. Geeta, your father was the chief minister. You're up against another chief minister's son. Do you believe this is it's going to be a good fight that you're putting up? It's a tri-cornered fight?
We are very positive and I don't think we'll have any problem in winning.
This time, how confident are you? What are the issues that you are hoping to win over?
First thing is the 5 guarantees which our government gave before the elections, and they did it, and it came to, it became active in another city, successful also. So those, and my father Shumaga, my father lives in everybody there.
He is quite popular there. And let's not even begin to speak of Shivraj Kumar. We've all grown up watching you, sir.
Oh, thank you.
So how you're the star power for her, campaigning for her as well?
No, not exactly that, but supporting my wife. I don't say it's a star power. I would like to just go like a normal human. Here the stardom doesn't work. It might be because the stardom is portrayed by them only. They only put me in that place.
I have a lot of women here who are waiting to talk to you, meet you. They've come all the way from Raichur. Their one glimpse of you is precious. So it is star power?
Not star power, it's only the blessings of the people. It's not anything else. It's the blessing because there's a blessing we have got from them.
We are not seeing any film stars campaigning this time. Shivraj Kumar for his wife. Does that mean you're for the Congress?
No, not like that. Congress in sense because the party which has got that proper secularism, so that one. But otherwise, I'm not for a single party.
You're for your wife.
Yeah, for my wife. Because fans are there throughout the party.
A quick word, as we know that this is a general election, they're constantly talking about the Prime Minister. Do you have an idea of who you want to see as the Prime Minister?
Of course, I would like our party head to be the Prime Minister.
Yes, Mallikarjun Kharge?
Rahul Gandhi, Mallikarjun Kharge, leaders, that decision will be taken in the higher level. So we would like to leave it to them.
Okay, after elections.
Because they have experience.
is superstar Shivraj Kumar.
But he is a mega superstar. Is our Ragana is our mega superstar.
He's mega superstar.
Superstar Ragana.
Our film ilkodbeka.
No,
after this election, we can go to movie.
Will you get into movies?
election ಆದ ನಂತರ ಒಂದು movie.
Raghavendra, will you get into films?
No, ma'am, it is a real life thing. It is also a movie.
This is only a film.
Yeah.
So this is possibly the worst summer that Karnataka is experiencing, and of course Raghavendra has been traversing through different parts of Shimoga in the beating heat. Are you still enthusiastic in this summer?
Yeah, really. Up to 7th, we have to face it. All the summer heat and election process. Anyway, it's a very good thing going on in our constituency. 100% in this time also. A blessing of Modi ji and party. 4th time I contesting for this election. Yes. From the blessing of our JDS leader, respected Appaji Gowda, former MLA. Right. Last time she contested from Assembly constituency. Only 2,500 she lost their seat.
This is a real litmus test for the BJP-JDS alliance this time.
Really, 100%.
You know, you are facing off Geeta Shivraj Kumar, who seems to have the star power with some actors are campaigning for her. Shivraj Kumar himself is a superstar here. Do you feel that will affect in any way, will kill your chances?
No, ma'am. Really, we are lucky. Our parliament constituency voters, they are enjoying the film stars. In coming days, within some more film actors will be visiting against me.
In support of you or against you?
Yeah, against me.
Against you.
No issue. Anyway, it all helps to our common people of my constituency only. But our voter are very responsible.
So you're saying the stars will come here for their entertainment, but they will vote for you.
Yeah. That's what.
You know, we also know that it's not just Geeta Shivraj Kumar. You also have Ishwarappa, who was once a minister within the BJP, senior leader. He has decided to fight independent against you, saying that he wants to defeat the B.S. Yediyurappa family. It's not just you, he's against your family. What would be your response to him?
From last 2-3 weeks back, he publicly announced give more than 5 lakhs vote to the Raghavendra. They will coming days he will make a cabinet minister from the union government. He appreciating me, but I don't know why within 2-3 weeks what happened for our leader. But I am sad. From last 2-3 elections, I took my blessing from that person. But this time they doing like that. But 100% the voters are brilliant. From vote only, who is Ishwarappa, who is BJP, and what is Congress, they will show their strength in this election.
All the people who say that dynasty politics, Yediyurappa, Vijayendra, Raghavendra, as a family, you all are still in power. Yeah, what would be your response to the critics?
Dynasty issue is whole the party decisions will be taken. Their dining hall, one family dining hall only. It is not like this in our BJP. Even especially in our Ishwarappa ji also telling like that only. If there is a dynasty politics in our party, there is a chance to take decision by Vijayendra and Yediyurappa ji regarding his son. Our High Command, our Modi ji, our all who are election committee, those two took the decision regarding Ishwarappa ji. So there is no question of dynasty in our party. I am the Karyakarta from last of 30-40 years. I contesting from ABP for Senate election for Kuvempu University. I studied in RSS school. Then I municipal president, then MLA, then MP. So step by step I cannot came by lift.
You are not. You are not airdropped.
Yeah, really.
पूरा कैंपेनिंग चल रहा है ना, क्या माहौल है?
इधर का माहौल तो दो तरफ भी सही है, आधा है, बोल नहीं सकते ठीक से, इधर है या उधर है, बोल नहीं कर सकते, ऐसा ही हो गया है।
अच्छा,
दो भी आधा चल रहा है।
ये 4 साल जो राघवेंद्र ने काम किया कैसा है?
हाँ, अच्छा सही किया।
अच्छा है, बीजेपी ने अच्छा काम किया है ना?
अच्छा काम किया। अच्छा क्या कांग्रेस आएगी वक्त?
आपको कांग्रेस चाहिए? अच्छा, आपको
कांग्रेस।
राघवेंद्र वहाँ पर है,
हम लोग तो इनके पिताजी है,
अच्छा,
पिताजी का हमारा।
बात
जी।
करो उनसे।
हाँ, बात करो साहब,
क्या
बात
क्या
करो।
बोलेंगे उनको?
इनको तो यही बोलना चाहते हैं कि जो इनके जो पिताजी थे उस टाइम में जैसा माहौल था ऐसा रहना बस।
अच्छा,
हाँ।
आपके इनके पिताजी हर कौम से मतलब रखते थे?
हाँ, बहुत मतलब रखते थे, बहुत मतलब रखते थे। इधर तो उनके तरफ से बहुत इधर का ज्यादा से ज्यादा अभिवृद्धि हुआ, बहुत अभिवृद्धि
Your
होगा।
father has done a lot for the Muslim community, he says.
Yes, ma'am. Even in Bangalore, Hajj Bhavan,
Yes.
really, in the time of father tenure, they made a really 40 to 50 crores project. That's one.
Right.
Even development of Shadi Mahal, Kabristan, like that, we did very good. There is no question of communal.
Yeah. You assure them, sir. Yeah, you assuring them this time also. You're
Real 100% our respected our Muslim voters also blessing for me in this election.
आप उनको आशीर्वाद देना बोल रहे हैं।
जी, वो तो है, लेकिन पिताजी होते तो और अच्छा था हम लोग को।
पिताजी का उनका छवि है,
हाँ,
छवि
वो तो
है।
है, लेकिन हम लोग इनसे ज्यादा उनके पिताजी को बहुत मोहब्बत करते हैं।
शिमोगा में हिंदू मुस्लिम सब इकट्ठा रहते हैं।
सब इकट्ठे ही है, तो यहाँ पे ये गांव ही इकट्ठा है।
हाँ,
ये गांव में हिंदू मुस्लिम साथ में खड़ा है, वो देखो मुस्लिम इधर
हाँ,
हिंदू
पता
खड़ा है।
है मुसलमान यहाँ पर है, आप हिंदू है, तो यहाँ पर जो कम्युनल राइट्स होते हैं उसके बारे में।
नहीं, यहाँ पे कोई नहीं है।
हाँ,
वो तो ये इलेक्शन के टाइम में ये, बाकी कुछ नहीं हो रहा है यहाँ पे। एकदम साइलेंट हमारा,
एकदम साइलेंट है, खुश है सब।
सब खुश है एकदम।
हाँ, यहाँ क्या बोलते हो आप?
ये तो इधर हम भाई भाई की तरह है।
हाँ,
हम जो भी काम करते हैं सब मिलके करते हैं।
अच्छा
लेकिन हमें तो कर्नाटक में सिद्धरामैया की तो हुकूमत चलती है।
अच्छा, अभी के लिए हुकूमत चलती है ये बात। मगर ये
अब आएगी।
कौम को डर क्या है?
डर कुछ नहीं है।
अच्छा,
हाँ, सब
तो
मिल-
फिर बीजेपी रहने दो।
बीजेपी इतने दिन तो काम किए है ना।
हाँ। I've hopped into the car. BY Vijendra is with me. He's really leading the campaign for the BJP in Karnataka. His brother, BY Raghavendra, is contesting from Shimoga. I'd like to hear from you, Vijendra. You're all smiles. Prime Minister Modi is also in Karnataka. It seems like the BJP has really put up a pompous campaign this time. What's your prediction for your party here?
See, Karnataka, it would be fair on my part to say that we don't find one constituency where I feel BJP cannot win. Because every constituency I can see Modi ji's way. People want Modi ji as a Prime Minister for one more tenure. So in this context, I'm seeing a lot of pro-incumbency in favor of our Bharatiya Janata Party, in favor of Narendra Modi ji's leadership.
All right. So at this point, it's all guns blazing against the Congress about a lot of communal issues that's come back to the spotlight. Would you tell us why does the BJP say a lot of the law and order situation is a fallout of minority appeasement in Karnataka?
See, minority appeasement is one part. The common man, they are talking about this Congress government. See, nearly 9 to 10 murders have taken place in last 1 week. Especially the Neha murder case which happened in Hubli. The statements given by Chief Minister himself. Honorable Chief Minister Siddaramaiah told immediately after Neha's murder that this murder has taken place due to their personal reasons. See, here the Chief Minister, who is bound to give support, extend his support to the family who is in distress due to the loss of a daughter. But Chief Minister comes with a statement that murder has been taken place due to the personal reasons. Is it not the duty of the Chief Minister to, to ensure the law and order situation is correct? And again, the Home Minister, he comes with some nonsensical statements. So this has really raised a lot of questions, not only Neha episode, even in Yadgir district. A Hindu Karyakarta was murdered in the night. And again, 3 murders took place in Davangere district at Channagiri. And even Gadag, 3 more murders took place. But the law and order situation is deteriorating day by day. And especially after the infamous statement of Pakistan Jindabad on the floor in the house in Vidhan Sauda, and non-action of the present government and trying to defend the anti-national elements who sloganed Pakistan Jindabad. This has creating more and more nuisance from the minority people. And when we raise the issue, Congress party tries to paint us as anti-minority.
People of Malnad are very intelligent people. They're very wise. I'm going to try and test that. We'll get some voices right here from the Shimoga Lok Sabha constituency. I'm within the city limits of Shimoga, where there's great food, great culture, as you see this place here. It's a restaurant that's buzzing with a lot of excitement right ahead of Lok Sabha elections here. Let me find out what the mood is. Sir, ನೀವು vote ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ?
ಹೌದು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ.
ಏನು ಡೆವಲಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ನೋಡಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೀರಾ?
ರಾಘವೇಂದ್ರ ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಡೆವಲಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್
ರಾಘವೇಂದ್ರ ಅವ್ರದ್ದು
ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಬಹಳ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ.
ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ನಿಮಗೆ
ಬಿಜೆಪಿ
ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿ
ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಶಿವಮೊಗ್ಗದಲ್ಲಿ.
ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ವಾಟ್ ಕೈಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ನೀವು ಯಾವ ತರ ಚೇಂಜ್ ನೋಡಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೀರಾ ನೀವು ದೇಶಕ್ಕೆ?
ದೇಶಕ್ಕೆ ಒಳ್ಳೇದಿರ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ, ಒಳ್ಳೇದಿರ್ಬೇಕು,
ಒಳ್ಳೇದಂದ್ರೆ
ದೇಶಕ್ಕೆ ರಕ್ಷಣೆ ಕೊಡುವಂತ ಬಿಗಿಯಾದ ಮನುಷ್ಯ ಇರ್ಬೇಕು,
ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಸೆಕ್ಯೂರಿಟಿ,
ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಸೆಕ್ಯೂರಿಟೀಸ್ ಇರ್ಬೇಕು.
ಓಕೆ, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ?
ಅಫ್ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ಮೋದಿ.
Well, I see that there's literally nothing left to imagination in a lot of places. But surely, on the name of Modi, you have the BJP asking for votes. ನೋಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಹೇಳಿ ಬೇಗ.
ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿ ಆಗಿದೆ ಶಿವಮೊಗ್ಗ. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸತಿ ಮೋದಿ ಬರಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಂತೀವಿ. ಮೋದಿ.
Locals of Shimoga, Dr. Aishwarya, Dr. Arvind, is healthcare system in Shimoga good enough? Do you see improvement?
For the last decade, I think we have seen a little bit of improvement in Shimoga in terms of we have got 2 medical colleges now and a lot of private healthcare. We expect more actually from the central government, any central institutions like AIMS or any specialist institutions like Kidwai, where cancer specialist, or Jaideva kind of institution, if it comes to Shimoga, probably it will benefit a lot of people around Shimoga district.
Right, that's great. What kind of change do you want?
Well, what changes would like to is a more ethical and more developmental focused person who would come and who could also be focusing more about the development activities in terms of schools, infrastructure facilities in Shimoga. That is what I look forward, ma'am.
ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅವ್ರು ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು ದುಡ್ಡು ಕೊಡ್ತಾರಂತೆ, ದುಡ್ಡು ತಗೋತೀಯೋ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯೋ ಅಂದ. ಬಹಳ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಹೇಳಿದ ಅವನು. ಯಡಿಯೂರಪ್ಪನ ನೋಟು, ಈಶ್ವರಪ್ಪನ ಓಟು. ಒಮ್ಮೆ ನಾ ಜನಗಳ ಮಧ್ಯೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಜನಗಳ ಮಧ್ಯೆ ಬಂದು ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ನೀವು ಜನಗಳ ಮಧ್ಯೆ ಬರಬೇಕಿತ್ತು. ಕುರ್ಚಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂತಂತ ಹೆಣ್ಣು ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನ ಎಬ್ಸಿ ರಸ್ತೆ ತಂದಿದ್ದೀರಲ್ಲ, ಆ ಹೆಣ್ಣು ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಶಾಪದಿಂದ ನಿನ್ನ ಮಗ ರಾಘವೇಂದ್ರ ಚುನಾವಣೆ ಸೋಲ್ತಾನೆ. ಅವ್ರು ಹಂಗೆ ಬಡತನದಲ್ಲೇ ಸಾಯ್ಬೇಕಾ? ಕೂಲಿ ಬಾಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡೇ ಇರ್ಬೇಕಾ? ನೀವು ಮಾತ್ರ MLA MP ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿ ಆಗಿ ಲೂಟಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಆ ಬಡವರು ಹಾಗೇ ಇರ್ಬೇಕು. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಬಿಡಲ್ಲ, ಯಾವ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕೂ ಬಿಡಲ್ಲ.
Remember, Ishwarappa has been expelled by the BJP for anti-party activities or embarrassing the party, but yet he continues to use Prime Minister Modi's face while campaigning. He says he's standing independent, but he's supporting Modi at the center. Here you have these campaign vehicles moving around despite the matter being in court. Ishwarappa ಅವರು ಮೋದಿ ಫೋಟೋ ಜೊತೆ ವೋಟ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಕೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಬಟ್ ಅದೇ ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕು ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ.
ನೀವು ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಮಾಡ್ತಿದೀವಿ. ಈಶ್ವರಪ್ಪ ಅವ್ರು ಬರ್ಬೇಕು ಶಿವಮೊಗ್ಗಕ್ಕೆ.
ಈಶ್ವರಪ್ಪ should come to Shimoga. ಗೆಲ್ಲಕ್ ಚಾನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆಯಾ?
ಚಾನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ.
Chance is there.
50-50 ಹೇಳಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ.
Just days to go for the next phase of polls in Karnataka, and we're looking at the high-octane battle in Shimoga picking up steam. Will K.S. Ishwarappa, standing independent, really poke holes into B.Y. Raghavendra's vote bank? Or will it eventually dent Geeta's vote bank? Because Geeta and Ishwarappa are both Kurubas. Whatever be, India Today has been very closely watching developments. We're going to track every movement up until June 4th. Do stay tuned to watch out. One thing's for sure, all leaders here are super confident and in high spirits. You do not miss out to go cast your vote. With camera person Shiv Murthy, this is Nabila Jamal for India Today, Shimoga.